In this video, I'm going to show you how this website's making approximately $58,000 per month simply converting currency, and they're probably leaving money on the table. So watch this entire video to learn how they could make more money and how you can do this too. Hello, my name's Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. Also, if you want to be pinned to the globe that you see over my shoulder, simply comment with your state, province, or country, and I'll get a pin added. For example, Sarah here got added just yesterday, and she's from the Barbados. So hello, thank you, Sarah, for commenting. If you want a pin, just comment down below. Anyway, let's go ahead and talk about how you could make $58,000 per month simply creating currency. So one of the problems that I saw on YouTube about how to make money online with currency was that you had to be a Forex guru. You had to know about the candlestick method. You had to know about all sorts of stuff. But in this video, I'm going to show you how regular average Joes, people like me and you who have absolutely no knowledge when it comes to Forex trading and cryptocurrency and that stuff, could make substantial amount of money simply just helping people solve a problem. So the first thing that I did is I actually went over to Ahrefs. Now, this is a paid keyword research tool that I use to help me find keywords. And what I did is I just typed in USD, or United States dollar 2. And then as you can see, this keyword is searched 16 million times per month. You see there's over 852,000 keywords, but you can see a lot of it's really competitive. What I did next is I will actually change the keyword difficulty to 10 or less, so it should be relatively easy for a new website or YouTube channel like us to get up and running. And when I made that change, you can see that this is still searched 4.1 million times per month. There's 17,000 keywords, and people are looking up WON to USD. So if I copy this, and I'm going to put it in two places. One, I'm going to put it in YouTube, and I'm also going to put this into Google to look at the results to see that this is something that you can do too. So first things first, we put it into Google, we put it into YouTube, and you can see that there are people that are searching this. And while that's working, I'm going to do the exact same thing with Google. We're going to paste that in, and we actually come across this second result here. And the cool thing about this second result is that it's a really tiny website. It's not this huge mega website. It's not this huge mega website that has lots of dollars behind it. And even more importantly, there's not a lot of content on the screen, but you can see that this website only has a few ads on it, and the projected amount of money that they're making is $58,000 per month. What they've done is they have gone over to Ahrefs or a similar paid keyword research tool, and they are looking at what people are searching. As you can see, this has a keyword difficulty of 0. There are 51,000 searches per month for this keyword. Okay, and if we look at this, you can see once again, they have a simple currency converter, and you actually just have to manually enter in all of your stuff. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get completely set up so that you can start seeing results fast. Okay, if we look at this, they have a little bit of information, not a huge amount of text on the screen, but they're getting substantial traffic. So let's go ahead and talk about what they're doing and how they're doing it so you can do it too. The first thing that you're going to need is a website. And I'll put a link in the description. The second link in the description will be a web hosting platform for beginners. What they're using is WordPress. WordPress is a content management software that makes this really, really easy. So the first thing that they're doing is they've gone and they've gotten web hosting. You need to have web hosting in order to do this, okay? So that's step number one. Step number two is they went out and they found a currency converter. Now what you can do is you can either Google currency converter WordPress, or you can go over to this website and they have a list of the 8 best currency converters that you can just put right into your website, and you can create this really fast. As you can see here, there are a bunch of different ones. There's some free ones, there's some paid ones, but the most important thing that you want to do is go out and find these keywords so that you can start creating the content. And so step number one, as I mentioned, is you need to get web hosting. Click the second link in the description to get web hosting. Then you want to install a WordPress theme. Any theme will do for this. And then you want to find a currency converter. Once you have those three things, you simply will put the currency converter onto your WordPress website. You do a little bit of write-up like you see on this website, and then you can start getting traffic. Now, the thing with this method and any method when it comes to making money online is you have to do it consistently. You can't just do it once and walk away. You have to continuously upload content. Now, this blog post would probably take you maybe 20 to 25 minutes to do. okay? And this is something that literally anybody can do. So that's how you're going to get traffic. One of the comments in my other video was, how do I get traffic? You're going to create content either here on Google with your blog, or you can create YouTube videos and then you can send traffic to your website. So you're going to have a website for this. Yes, this is going to cost you a couple dollars. Okay. So that's how you can get traffic. Now let's talk about all the different ways that you can make money. And there are a bunch. One way is, like this website's doing, is they're actually making money with Google AdSense. So the ads that you see here and at the bottom of the screen, if someone were to click on those ads, this website owner makes money. So this is a very easy, straightforward way. Now, what most people do is they make the mistake of only using Google AdSense. There are a ton of other ad networks out there that you can use to make even more money. And this is, in my opinion, this is a high CPM niche. And so if you went out and found another ad network out there like Ezoic, they're going to pay you much more. So you could even make more money just having ads on your website. Another way that you can make money is with affiliate marketing. Now, affiliate marketing, you're going to recommend or sell other people's products and services. Now, what I did is I just went over to a website called OfferVault and I typed in FOREX. And you can see that there are tons of different affiliate opportunities out there where you can make hundreds to thousands of dollars simply referring people based on their need. You can see some of it's Bitcoin, some of it's Forex trading, AI stock profits. Now, you do want to make sure that you are doing a little bit of research to make sure that these are quality affiliate programs. You're not just like promoting spam, but this could be another way to go. Another way to go would be you could be an affiliate for a website like Udemy or Udemy. Udemy or Udemy is actually a website that has courses, and you could promote different courses. If someone were to click on your link and purchase a course, you can get paid a commission. In addition, you could actually create your own course and you could sell it right from your website. So let's say you had a Forex trading or maybe even a currency course. You could actually put that right on your website. And then when people click and buy, you could sell it for $47, $97, $197. People click and buy and you make even more money. So that's just another way. In this instance, it would be a digital product. What you could also do too is you could actually hire somebody to create a currency converter that they can download to their computer, and you could make even more money selling digital products. So there are tons of different opportunities. As I mentioned, having ads on your website, affiliate marketing, selling an online course or promoting online courses, selling digital products. And of course, we have the YouTube Partner Program. With the YouTube Partner Program, you need 1,000 followers or subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and YouTube will pay you for the ads that show up in the beginning, middle, and end of your videos. Now, the one thing that I wanted to show you is this video right here. It's only a minute long. It has 3.7 thousand views, and he has 53,000 subscribers. So this will work regardless if you are doing a blog like this website or if you're doing a YouTube channel. So this is a really good opportunity, and you don't even have to show your face. This one is using a whiteboard, or it's using an AI software, the animation software. It looks like it's using Video Scribe, but you don't even have to show your voice, and you can start making money. So just to recap real quick, the first thing you're going to need is web hosting. Click the second link in the description to get the best web hosting provider for beginners. After you get web hosting, you are going to need to install WordPress. WordPress is the content management system. Then you need to find a currency converter. Just Google currency converter plugin, and you're going to find a bunch of different websites that help you out. Then you are going to do a little bit of keyword research. As you can see here, there are tons of these opportunities. And if you don't want to do USD, you could do other denominations. We could say like, let's do British pound. Let's make sure British pound. Yep. So we could do British pound too, and then we could start this cycle all over again. For example, if we go back here and we paste in British pound 2, hit enter, and you could do this for literally every currency that's out there. There are thousands of currencies out there, and we're going to change the difficulty to 10 or less. And once again, you're going to see there's lots of opportunity. British pound to Indian rupee, that gets a couple searches per month. You could do this again and again and again and potentially make money. Now that you know how to make money online with currency. Watch this video next to learn a little bit more about how to make money online with affiliate marketing.